Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and then tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's select the display option. Here, let's scroll down and you should see the screen timeout option right here below the full screen apps. Tap on it and right here we can select the desired screen timeout duration. For example, I'm gonna select 30 seconds by tapping on it, then I can go back and now my screen should turn off after 30 seconds of an activity. So let's wait. Anytime now. And here we have it. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.